lesson today to follow relations between angles. Again, number 4, the relation number 4, vertically opposite angles. The relation number 4, vertically opposite angles, which is called the VOA. VOA. If two straight lines intersect, then each two vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. If two straight lines intersect, then each two vertically opposite angles, these are the two vertically opposite angles, the blue ones, also the red ones. This one and this one are equal in measure. Also this one and this one are equal in measure, the red ones and the blue ones. If two straight lines intersect, then each two vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So here, measure of angle BMC equal measure of angle AMD or DMA. These two angles are equal. Another example, measure of angle BMD equal measure of angle AMC. BMD equal AMC. These two angles. Let's see example number 2. Measure of angle AME, the blue one, equal measure of angle CMB, equal measure of angle CMB. Measure of angle AMD, the red one, equal measure of angle BMF, the two red ones, AMD and BMF. Measure of angle CMD, equal measure of angle EMF. CMD equal EMF. This one equal this one. Also this one equal this one. Measure of angle CMD equal measure of angle EMF. The last one, measure of angle BME, this angle, all of this angle, equal measure of angle AMC. Example number 3. Find measure of angle DME and measure of angle DMB. Measure of angle DMB, this angle, DMB. Okay, what are the givens? Here is 70 degree, MB is a bisector, these two angles are equal, and we need angle DME. Okay, let's get angle DME. DME is vertically opposite with these two angles. Angle DMB is vertically opposite with these two angles. So DMB equals 70 plus 70, the same measure as AMC, 70 plus 70. Equal 140 degree. Measure of angle AMD equal, measure of angle AMD equal 180 minus these two angles, 70 plus 70. 180 minus these two angles, 70 plus 70, give us 40 degree. The last one, measure of angle, the last requirement here in example 3, measure of angle DMB equal 40 plus 70 equal 110 degree. Let's see the last relation, which is accumulative angles at a point. The sum of measures of accumulative angles at a point is 360. The sum of measures of accumulative angles at a point is 360 degree. Let's see example number 4. Number 1, find measure of angle AMC. AMC, the required angle. 360 degree minus 90 over 2 equal 135 degree. Why? Because these two angles are equal in measure. Measure of angle AMC, the required one, equal 360 minus 90 and the result divided by 2, since these two angles are equal in measure, as the sign shows this. 360 minus 90 over 2 equal 130 degree. Number 2, find measure of angle DMC. Find measure of angle DMC. DMC. Sorry, AMC. AMC. The required angle is AMC. Measure of angle AMC equal 360 minus 50 plus 50 plus 110 equal 150 degree. Measure of angle AMC. Find measure of angle CMD. Number 3, find measure of angle CMD. CMD. So 360 degree minus these three angles together give us the required angle. So measure of angle CMD equal 360 minus 100 plus 50 plus 60, 100 plus 50 plus 60, all together. We are going to get 150 degree, which is the answer of angle CMD. Thank you, everybody.